Good day everyone. For this video, I'm going to show you how to download and install xampp. Right, so let's begin. So first, go to Google page and search Apache. Apache. Right, so Apache download. So you can scroll down and look for www.apachefriends.org. So all you have to do is click, and then we are redirected to the page of xampp Apache. Okay, so xampp stands for, or is an abbreviation of, or cross-platform for Apache, MySQL, PHP, and Perl. Right, so depending on which version you are using, if you are using Linux, you can download xampp version for Linux. If you're using Mac OS, then you can click this download here. But for our tutorial today, I'm going to download the Windows version for xampp. Right, so just click, wait for it, and there. So it usually takes about a minute or two depending on your connectivity strength. Right, so what is Apache? Okay, so Apache is an open source licensed application for running a web server. Um, we can also use this application for running our MySQL scripts. Okay, so we can run our MySQL or um, structured query language using this application. Right, so once you have this downloaded, all you have to do is click the installer. Alright, so you might get this prompt message. So all you have to do is click OK. Just ignore this part. And then you have the setup for xampp. So all you have to do is next. And then you can leave this check boxes as it is. Next. And then you can locate your folder of where you want to install the xampp. Okay, so in this case, I have it on my drive C. Next. Right, so I already have it installed in my unit, so I won't be installing it. But for your case, all you have to do is click next until you are done with the installation process. All right, so I'm going to cancel this from my end. Okay, so once you have the xampp application installed, all you have to do is let me adjust the screen for. Right, so all you have to do is you'll see the icon of the xampp, so you have to click it, make sure the application is running. So if you are going to use MySQL scripts or run MySQL scripts, all you have to do is start this, click the start action, and alright, so you can see the status has changed, status change detected, so MySQL is now running. Alright, so once you have this running, there are two ways that you can run or use MySQL scripts. So this is the easiest way. You can click shell here. Once you click shell, so a box will, or a window will appear. Alright, so the next step would be to type MySQL -u space root space -p. Right, so it will ask you for a password, but in this case we do not have a password, so just enter, and then now you have access to database Maria. Right, so as you can see, open and close parentheses, there is a none text here. So that is because we have not selected any database. So what are we going to do? We can show the databases using this command, show databases, and then semicolon, enter, and then you can see here the different or the several databases we have for this PC. Alright, so in this case I'm going to select shopping, this right here, shopping. So use, if you want to use the database, all you have to do is type the command use shopping, the database, use the name of the database. So you have their database changed. So as you can see, from none, you are now having the word or the text appear, the name of the database, shopping. Right, so if you want to show the tables or show tables command, so here are the tables inside the database shopping. Right, so that's it. If you want to explore and create database, you can, or run MySQL scripts, you can use this application to test your or to run your activities. Alright, if you want to exit, just type in exit, and there you go. Right, so that is it for the first way to access your XAMPP or run your MySQL scripts. Now we are going to have it the other way around. Okay, so you can close this. By the way, make sure that you are always running MySQL here before you start your shell. So the other way, we have, so click your start button, type in CMD, and then click command prompt, and then just navigate to the drive C. See, so now you are now in the drive C. Change directory to MySQL, or sorry, XAMPP, and MySQL. CD stands for change directory, by the way. So change directory to bin, and then now you can type MySQL -u space root -p, enter, and now you have MariaDB once again. Same thing, just show databases, and then you have there your databases. Alright, so that those are the two ways you can access your or run your MySQL scripts using XAMPP. Right. So for the next video, I will show you how to run your MySQL scripts through mobile phone. We're going to be using Termux application. Alright, so that is it. If you have any questions, leave your comment, or you can post in our Google Classrooms, and you can message me via Google Hangouts. Alright, so